In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between Wix and Wix Studio in 2025. While both platforms come from the same ecosystem, they serve different purposes and cater to different users. So, if you're on the fence about which one to go for, stick around as we break it down for you. Think of Wix as the go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners. It's user-friendly, intuitive, and doesn't require any coding skills to get a beautiful and functional website up and running quickly. With its simple drag-and-drop interface and a vast array of templates, it's perfect for personal portfolios, blogs, small online stores, or local service businesses. You can really focus on what matters most, getting your site live without wrestling with complex tools. On the other hand, Wix Studio is crafted for professionals. It's designed with web designers, developers, and agencies in mind. If you're someone who manages multiple clients and needs a high degree of creative control, this is where Wix Studio comes into play. It's an end-to-end solution that extends beyond just building a site. It includes client and team management, advanced development tools, and streamlined workflows, empowering you to manage everything efficiently. In terms of design and layout control, Wix provides a more structured framework. While its interface is intuitive and customizable, it uses an adaptive rather than fluid design approach. So, you might need to manually tweak elements for various screen sizes, especially on mobile, which could feel a bit time-consuming. Conversely, Wix Studio excels in offering design freedom. It utilizes advanced systems like Flexbox and CSS grids, providing modern, responsive designs that are industry standards. One standout feature is its responsive AI, capable of making a section responsive with just a single click. This flexibility allows you to create pixel-perfect, custom websites with ease. When it comes to development capabilities, Wix is mainly a no-code platform. While you can dabble with custom code, it's not intended for complex applications or large-scale third-party integrations. Contrast this with Wix Studio, which is built for developers. It provides a full-stack platform with a VS Code-based integrated development environment. You can write both front-end and back-end code in JavaScript, tap into hundreds of Wix APIs, and integrate with third-party tools. Regarding workflow and collaboration, Wix focuses more on solo users. You can invite collaborators, but it lacks robust tools for team management. Wix Studio, however, shines in collaborative environments. It offers a centralized workspace for managing numerous projects, a client management dashboard, and on-canvas tools like commenting and shared design libraries, making it ideal for teams. The learning curve and cost for both platforms differ noticeably. With Wix, you can be up and running within hours, making it accessible and affordable with plans tailored for individuals or small businesses. Wix Studio, however, comes with a steeper learning curve due to its advanced features. It's more suited to those with a good grasp of web design principles. Its pricing structure reflects the needs of agencies and freelancers, offering plans with more storage and capabilities. Ultimately, neither platform is inherently better. Choose Wix if you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or creative professional who needs a website quickly without the fuss of complexity. Opt for Wix Studio. If you're a web designer, freelancer, or agency requiring full creative control, high-end design capabilities, team collaboration, and the ability to integrate custom codes to build scalable websites.